Hello and welcome. Oops, I forgot to put Drogon back. Oof. Oh. Oh well. Today I have for you an unboxing. Today I have for you a Allure beauty box. So this box has been knocking it out of the park. It's $15 a month. And I don't know, I think I signed up. I watched this box for a very, very long time. I finally made the jump the month that they partnered with Huda. And I've just been really loving this box since. So I'm really glad that I made the leap. There is a giveaway going on that is linked down below. It has 8 winners, some Jeffree Star products. So please check that out. Share it out, do this, that, and the other. Help me grow, help me get to 2.5. Greatly appreciate it. So let's get into Allure and see what they have in store for us this month. So it does come with a pamphlet and it does tell you how much everything costs. So let's see what we've got. So I open it up and this is what I see. I don't know, last month was just so good with the Anastasia stuff, so I'm super stoked. Okay, so the first thing is a Car Skin, and it is a pure lip restoration. And again, I am a lip balm junkie, so I will definitely keep this. So it comes in just this cute little tin. Oh, my lighting's disappearing. Sorry, guys. Oh, is it safety sealed? Oh, no, it's just really hard to open. So it just looks like a lip balm or maybe like a lip mask. Doesn't smell like anything. I am super stoked to use this. I mean, I don't know. I just kind of collect lip balms, so I'm kind of a junkie. Let's see, how much does that, let's see. So that retails for $30. Okay, that's kind of, it's kind of steep for a lip balm, but okay. The next thing I am pulling out is Perfect Shine Oil Mist, color and heat protection, paraben free. So this is basically just a hair oil and it retails for $16. The next thing I am pulling out here is by Kate Somerville. I absolutely love her skincare. She is probably one of my top skincare lines that I use. And this is, it's Exfoliate, and it retails for $75. I'm assuming for the full size. Yeah, I guess. I mean, okay, that makes sense. I shouldn't have sounded shocked because her face products are expensive. So, let's see. Okay, so this is 0.25 ounces. And so for 1.7 ounces, it's $75. And for 5 ounces, it's $175. I do love her products. I think she has great products, so I'll consider it. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is Hope Renewed in a Jar Water Cream by Philosophy. And this is what the small size looks like. The full size looks more like a jar, and the full size retails for $39. It is... It's just a moisturizer, so going super heavy on the skincare here. Let's keep working through it. The next thing I have is Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum, Age Defying and Deep Hydration. So there is that. I'm not going to take it out of the jar or out of the box. I'm not going to take it out of the box, but the full size retails for $62. This will probably just go into a future giveaway. I don't know. I'll think about it. And the last thing I am pulling out here is, so it is the Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara, and it's called Gifted. Let's see. Okay, so, and you could have gotten one of two. You could have gotten Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, or you could have gotten this mascara. This retails for $23. I am not going to open it. I have long eyelashes, so when I want low-key length, this mascara delivers on all fronts. It coats and lengthens lashes without making them droop. Okay, I'm interested in it. So that was Allure. It was okay. I just raved about how good it's been. This box was just okay for me. It does have some really good products that I am excited to try, but I don't know, like they really knocked it out of the park last month. So I kind of expect them to keep that level, but it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.